You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names, as well as how to say more interesting names, including from tech and computing IT, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel, learn more, become part of the community. So according to Douglas Crockford, the inventor of the language, he said he thought it would be said, everybody would say it as JSON. So in his mind, he thought it was JSON, but a lot of people are calling it JSON, which is kind of the adopted, most commonly used pronunciation, JSON. But yeah, JSON is also valid, at least according to the creator of JSON. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.